Hi guys, it's Dave here from RackNerd, and in this video we're going to talk about how to install SolusVM 2 management server. This is not to be confused with the compute resource. We'll do that in another video. But I just wanted to go over a few of the features in this new version. They have a new UI interface, as you can see here, snapshot support, and a new API as a first approach. They also have a really great roadmap, which you can check out on their website. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the system requirements for your VPS is a minimum of 4 gigs of RAM, 10 gigs of disk space, and 4 CPU cores. So I'm going to open up a terminal window here, and we'll SSH into our VPS. Let me just grab the IP address. There we go. And I'll put in my password. Perfect. Okay, so now we're logged into our VPS. We just need to go to this URL, which I'll put in the description below. Now our VPS is running Alma Linux 8. As you can see here, we also require 4 cores, which we have, 4 gigs of RAM, and 10 gigs of hard drive space. We'll scroll down to the installation part and we'll copy that command and we'll paste it into our terminal window. Now we'll give it some permissions, so we can just copy the command listed on the website, paste it in there. Now we'll run the installer. And we'll push 1 for accept. And it's going to ask for a fully qualified domain name, or first it's asking for a email address, so we'll just put one in. And then it will ask for a full qualified domain name. So it's already detected demo1.racknerd demo from our host name, so we're fine with that. Hit enter. Now this install can take up to 10 to 15 minutes depending on the speed of your VPS. So we'll just fast forward to the end of it and show you what it looks like after. All right, so we have installed it. So we can copy this URL and we'll paste it into our browser here, and it should load. And there is our login. We'll take this email address, paste it in there, and then we'll take our password and sign in. So there we have it. You've installed the SolusVM server management panel. Obviously we don't have an activation code. So just to stress, this is just the management server. You would still need to create another, you would still need to add your compute resources here. And then you can create your locations and your plans, etc. So that is how easy it is to install the SolusVM 2. Really looking forward to all the new features that they have got coming up. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.